We are now going to explore the AutoSystem Revision Manager. When you go to click on the Revision Cloud object or invoke the RevCloud command at the command line, a palette will come up. This is the Revision palette. It's modeled after the Layer Manager palette native to AutoCAD, so the interface should be somewhat familiar. To make a new revision, either right-click in the open box and click New Revision, or come up here and click the New Revision button. Just like with the Layer Manager, initially you will be able to give your revision a name. You can also change the date, change the name of the revision, thaw and freeze the cloud and delta layers separately, and add notes for this revision. When you have everything set the way you want, simply click the Create Cloud button, and you can begin your clouding. Once the cloud's complete, at the command line it will ask you to select a delta insert point. Select your point, and your delta is inserted. This palette can be anchored left or right, just like all normal AutoCAD tool palettes. If I need to change the name of my revision, let me make one more cloud here so you can see what's going on at the time. If I come in to change the name of my revision, for example from 1 to 2, you will note that the deltas on that associated layer also change. The layer name changes as well as I make changes to the information regarding the particular revision. If I add a note, that note will be stored with the layer . So I can leave myself little indicators of the purpose for the revision. I'm going to go ahead and add one more revision. We'll call it revision 3. I'm going to draw a cloud on that revision. By the way, if you prefer to cloud from an object, for example a rectangle, you can draw your rectangle before you invoke the RevCloud or open the palette, and use this Create Cloud from Object button to create your cloud. Now if I want to isolate, for example revision 2, I can click Isolate Selected Revision, and all the other revisions are frozen off. I can freeze off all the clouds, but leave all the deltas on. All this can be done from within the Revision Manager. As I'm working, if I want to import revisions from recent drawings, I can click this button and basically pull revisions in from the recent drawings I've been working on. Otherwise, if I click Import Revisions, I can go and open a drawing from which I want to import my revisions. These are the basics of the Revision Manager within AutoSystem 2012.